Hey guys, today we are going to review again a problem solving using percents. Okay, remember percent means per hundred or parts of 100. So 30% means 30 out of 100, which equals 30 over 100, which is equivalent to 3/10. Okay, should be good with all that already. Just a little quick review right there. So percent problems, what is 30% of 70 feet? Okay, so here we go. What is? So the word what always means, that's your variable. Is always means equals to. That's going to be 0.3 as a decimal. Of in math always means times 70. Okay, so we go ahead and multiply that out. X is 21 feet. And we're done with that one. Okay, $14 is 25% of what number? Okay, so 14 is equals 0.25 times X. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and divide by 0.25 on both sides. And let's see, 14 divided by 0.25 is 56. So X will be 56. And that would be $56 because that's what the context of the problem says. Okay. Next, 135 miles is what percent of 27 miles? Okay, so 135 is what percent of 27? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 27. And I'm going to get X equals 135 divided by 27 would be 5. Okay, so what does that mean, 5? Well, that actually means 500%. Okay, so it asks what percent was it. If you put 5, you're not technically correct. Okay, so make sure you change it to a percent. Alrighty, so a survey of American teens between the ages of 13 and 19 had the following results. So the age group is right here, 13, 14, 15 through 17, 18 and 19-year-olds. Number surveyed, 900, 990, 650. Number who date regularly, 207, 594, and 416. What percent of each age group surveyed said that they dated regularly? Okay, so this is very simple. This is the number out of that many. Okay, so this first one would be 207 out of 900. So that's 0.23, which is 23%. Okay, next up, 15 to 17-year-olds, we've got 594 out of 990. Okay, so 594 divided by 990 is 0.6, which would be 60%. And then the 18 and 19-year-olds, that would be 416 out of 650. So 416 divided by 650 is 0.64, which is 64%. People often get fooled because this is a smaller number than this. They think, oh, this is less than that is, but it's actually by percentage, it's a bigger number. Okay. Butterflies and moths comprise the insect order Lepidoptera. Entomologists have classified about 20,000 species of butterflies and about 140,000 species of moths. So we've got a butterfly here, we've got a moth over here. Lepidoptera make up 20% of all classified insect species. How many insect species have been classified? Okay, so there have been a total of 140 plus 20,000, so that's 160,000 Lepidopteras. And that's 20%, that's equal to 20% of all insects. So now we just got to divide by 0.2 to solve this thing. So 160,000 divided by 0.2 would be 800,000. So there's 800,000 insect species classified. Okay, now the wholesale cost of a butterfly net is $8.50. The retail price is $32.95. What is the markup percent on the cost? Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we got to figure out how much the markup is. So that's $32.95 minus $18.50. Okay, so $32.95 minus $18.50 comes out to be $14.45. Okay, so let's see. So now what we want to do is we take the markup and we figure out what a percent is on the cost. So it's going to be $14.45 divided by $18.50. Comes out to 78.1%. So they buy that thing for $18.50, they mark it up 78.1%, and that comes out to $32.95. Okay, so there you go. So we got our assignment on here. I will see you guys in class tomorrow. Have a great evening.